Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another foundation first impression. Today we are going to be trying out the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and check out my video. My other video, it is trying out the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers with the NYX Total Control drop. So I'll make sure that I link that up here in the cards and you guys can go over and check that out. So I really liked those concealers and I decided to follow suit and try out the foundation. And today we're gonna be trying the foundation and the concealers in combination to get a more accurate depiction of this line in action. This foundation is definitely budget friendly. It is $15, so about half the price of other foundations that I would typically buy at Ulta or Sephora. This line comes with 45 different shades of foundation. Out of those 45 shades, I would say that about 9 of those, just going off the swatches from the arms and eyeballing it, 9 of those are for deeper complexion. So really about a fifth of those. This is a full coverage foundation. You're getting 1 fluid ounce for $15. And the shade that we're gonna be swatching today is Cocoa. So as you guys can see, I have nothing, absolutely nothing on my, well, not absolutely nothing. I have nothing on my face except for my brows. Just to give you guys a little more specs about this foundation, this is a lightweight, waterproof, ultra pigmented foundation. It says that this foundation can work up to 24 hours. However, I don't see myself wearing a foundation for 24 hours at a time. However, it's good to know that it is a long wear foundation. As the name implies, can't stop, won't stop. It's gonna keep working all day long. And it does say that this works to mattify and control shine on your face. It's the same thing. It works to control that shine on your face all day long. So I am a naturally very oily person and I gravitate towards those matte products because it helps, again, control the shine throughout the day and I'm not looking like I swam through Crisco. So I'm interested to see, because with those concealers, I did feel like I had a little bit of a dewy, well-hydrated glow going on. So I'm interested to see how this looks before I apply the concealers and then how it looks after. And it says that this foundation is suitable for normal, oily, combination, and sensitive skin types. So basically everybody is covered under all those bases. And on their website, it has 4.3 out of 5 stars. And it's considered one of their best-selling products. So I'm really excited to see how it looks on my skin. And again, today we're gonna be swatching the shade Cocoa. We're back and we're up close and personal. And I'm gonna go ahead and put up my hair so that it's out of the way. And the Cocoa shade is their CSWSF21 shade, which is ironic because I am 21 Cocoa in their total drops. So, I mean, I'm sure that's not a coincidence. But this is described as a deep with a neutral undertone foundation. So if you're shopping online at home, then you can shop based on what it says different undertones are. However, I prefer to go to the store and try it out there and put it on my skin and really see firsthand. So getting into packaging, you guys can see a closer look. This is what it looks like. It is very pretty, very simple. Looks like poop. Right off the bat, just applying that to my skin, I get a very strong chemical scent. So I hope that doesn't bother me as, you know, as I'm wearing this. Because usually when products smell like that, my skin is like, you already know what time it is. But so far this looks really good. It's blending out really nicely. My skin still looks dewy, like when I was using the concealers. So we'll see about that. Maybe that will settle in and subside. Yeah, still getting that nice, like, dewy, moisturized look, which isn't bad, but it's not what I typically go for. And they do say that it is a matte foundation. So far, it's not looking good in that department. But otherwise, it looks really good on the skin. So I'm just going back over one more time and, like, really patting this into my skin and trying to, like, pat out that extra moisture. But overall, I really have, like, a glowy look, a glowy finish. So if anything, I would say that this is more of like a demi matte, but not completely matte. And my face does feel warm. So I don't know, maybe this is not gonna agree with my skin. We will see, but for now, this is what we're working with. So I'll just apply it everywhere. I would not say that this feels like second skin. It doesn't feel like cake face, but I definitely feel like I am wearing something, again, with that warmth component, and then it just feels like something's on top of my skin. It's definitely full coverage. I did 4 pumps total for all over my face. However, I would say I probably could have gotten away with 3 pumps, and they were like 3 little baby pumps. They weren't full. So it is definitely full coverage, so you could wear this for special event. I prefer whenever I'm wearing makeup, then I want it to look like, I want everything covered up. I don't want it to still look super natural. I want it to look well put together. At least from my perception, I want it to look like I'm wearing makeup. I want it to look absolutely flawless. I don't want any imperfections peeking through. Everything needs to be snatched and covered. All over, we kind of got some kind of like blurring effect going on. It looks really good in pores. You can't see them. It looks really good. I'm really just noticing the glowing, especially like under my eyes, T-zone, cheeks. Yeah, I'm noticing it everywhere. So I'm gonna go in with the contour concealers from the Can't Stop Won't Stop line. I'm using the shade Mahogany for my highlighting color, and then I'm using Deep Espresso for my contouring color. I've already blended out one side of concealer, but as I'm like buffing this into my skin, it's burning more. And I felt the same way when I was doing the first impression of the Juvia's Place foundation, concealer, the liquid foundation, whatever it was. I felt the same way when I was doing the foundation and the concealer. So I don't know, we will have to wait and see what my skin says tomorrow. I'm a little nervous, honestly. Hoping it's nothing, but I don't like that feeling, that warmth kind of, it's like gone from a warmth to now it feels like burning. But it was only under this eye, so maybe I got too close to my eye. I don't know. I just want products to work for me. That's honestly why I haven't really focused heavily on makeup reviews, different makeup tutorials, because my skin reacts to everything. So there's a very small category of things that I can review or, you know, do tutorials with on my channel. And because this concealer does dry down pretty quickly, then I decided to apply it one at a time. Now that I'm looking at this, Deep Espresso is quite dark. Probably could scale back about 2 shades, but it's cool. We're here now. It's fine. We've already committed to it. It looks ridiculously dark, but when you buff it out, doesn't look bad. But as you would expect, I like these in combination together because they are formulated from the same line, and brands formulate things so that you can use them together all in the same line. So you guys, this is the finished look. Really like it. It looks good. It is a really good match, actually. Zoomed out, it doesn't look as shiny, but up close you guys could see the glow that I had going on. Again, it doesn't have that second skin feeling. I can tell that I'm wearing something, but it doesn't feel heavy. Don't feel cake face. It looks really nice. It's very just comfortable. I like the glow that comes with this foundation. It's still pretty much matte. I like the natural glow. It's naturally highlighting the high points of my face, as highlight and contour usually does. My only concern is that as somebody who is naturally very oily, throughout the day, how oily am I gonna start to look? Is it going to uphold that matte finish as the natural oil production on my face does its thing? Do I think it would last 24 hours? Like I said with the concealers, I don't think it would on my face, but it's pretty solid. I would definitely wear this for a special event. It looks really, really good. I look airbrushed, no pores, nothing. And I'm just wearing brows and gloss. So this is enough to look put together, not look like I'm doing too much. And I might even be willing to wear this to work, honestly. It feels good on the skin. Again, it's not my #1 preference of second skin. Feels like nothing's there, but it's good. It's at a excellent price point, $15. You can find it at Ulta or wherever you can find NYX. You can buy it on their website. I would say that if you've tried their Total Control drops or any other foundation that they might have, pay attention to that number at the very end, and then that makes shade matching a breeze. Also, one last thing that I want to say as I let this sit, that alcohol chemical type of smell has gone away, and the warmth on my face has also gone away. So I'm optimistic. I'm hoping that I don't break out an allergic reaction, because this actually does look very good, and it's not something that I want to return to the store, but I like it. It's definitely full coverage. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. If I'm forgetting anything, or if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more makeup reviews or beauty reviews, anything of that nature, definitely leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that rate, comment, subscribe. Wait, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video or bring a friend next time. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.